Hello. So let's talk about human nature. Is human nature evil or pure? In Christian theology, human nature is seen as fallen, meaning it's fallen nature. Man has fallen nature. But actually, when you meditate, you dig deeper into yourself, you look at yourself within more deeply, you will discover that human nature is pure. It's just that human nature is covered up by layers of dusts, postnatally acquired dusts like anger, resentment, jealousy, envy, bitterness, resentment, fear, anxiety. When you meditate, you are slowly or gradually establishing a space between you, which is awareness, and defilements. You are able to experience that space between you and the defilements. And as you grow deeper spiritually, this space actually it adjusts, it becomes more. So you realize that you are the awareness that is aware of anger. You are the awareness that is aware of envy. You are the awareness that is aware of resentment. And if you remove the resentment, if you remove the anger, if you remove the envy, what remains is pure awareness, which is you. And this pure awareness has no tendencies like pursuit of pleasure or pleasant experience or aversion to pain, avoidance of pain, escape from pain. No, this is just pure awareness. It accepts what comes and goes. It just looks at phenomenon as it is. And this is your true self, not this anger, not this envy, not this jealousy, not this resentment. And it's this awareness that is your true self, your pure and true self. That's why they say people live in delusion because they mistake themselves for the anger, for the resentment, for the jealousy because there's no space.